SM Tarlac. Gibbs at SM Tarlac. Yan. Gibbs at SM Tarlac. Yan. SM Tarlac. Ano, tayo na? Doon tayo, anak. Sa ano? Sa Jollibee. Sa Jollibee tayo maghintay. Okay na. Oh, sige na, Gibbs. You ano na? You walk na there. You walk na. Aka na yung ano. Oh, sige. You bring na your ano. Your pasalubong to your sister, Jenny. Okay. Gibbs has pasalubong to his sister, Jenny. Yan. We're going to Jollibee to wait for Jenny. Yan. Hi, Gibbs. You are here in SM Tarlac. Gibbs. You are here in SM Tarlac. Okay, face here. Gibbs. Gibbs, look. Look at me, Gibbs. Okay. Say hi, guys. You say, welcome to SM Tarlac. Say, welcome to SM Tarlac. Okay? SM Tarlac. This is SM Tarlac. Huh? Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy to see, to wait for your sister? Yeah. You like it? You like it? Oh, okay. Go to your mommy and ano. Tell her to come over. Oh. Pasalubong for his sister, Jenny. Ew, okay, look. There's a Jollibee there. Out there. Okay, we'll go to the Jollibee and wait for Jenny. Okay. Here at SM Tarlac. Yan, we'll go to Jollibee. Happy birthday, Jenny. Binigyan ng pagkain sa lolo mo. Happy birthday, Jenny. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jenny. Ayun yung tablet na regalo ng daddy. Yan, Daddy Joji. Yan, iingatan ni Jenny. Si kuya niyang Gibbs. Ayan o. Dito kami sa Jollibee. Okay.